Let's play a true or false game. BIM coordination equals clash detection. You have 5 seconds. False. If you agree with this statement, this video is for you. What is the difference between coordination and clash detection? What does BIM coordination include? And some other questions are covered in this video. Hi, my name is Maria and I've been working at New Vision Agency for almost 3 years, saving BIM projects and resolving thousands of clashes before they go to the construction field. And here I would like to share my experience. BIM coordination involves more than just clash detection. While clash detection is a crucial aspect of BIM coordination, it's just one part of the process. BIM coordination encompasses activities such as model integration, design review, clash detection and resolution, and collaboration among different disciplines involved in a project. BIM coordination is about ensuring all elements work together seamlessly, not just identifying clashes. The person who is responsible for the BIM coordination of a project should understand all of the processes that help you push your project closer to the sign-off. Here are the main responsibilities. Model management. Overseeing the creation, maintenance, and organization of BIM models for a project. Model management includes coordination space setup and understanding which way is better for the particular situation or subcontractor's needs. Navisworks tools are great for precise clash detection in situations when you need to capture every single issue. Model coordination through the BIM 360 is an ideal tool for tracking issue statuses and automatic clash detection. Coordination itself. Coordination is about ensuring that all disciplines, BIM models are aligned properly, identifying and resolving clashes or conflicts. During the coordination process, it's important to keep all project members updated and equipped with the latest project status, and define action items for each discipline. Collaboration. Facilitating communication and collaboration among project stakeholders, including architects, engineers, contractors, and subcontractors. Quality assurance. Conduct regular checks to ensure accuracy, completeness, and compliance with project requirements, which are usually highlighted in the BIM execution plan. Training and support. Providing training and support to team members on BIM software, workflows, and best practices. Subcontractor support is a very important thing because you help the project member to align with the VDC process, especially if the subcontractor is not familiar with it. That is the main responsibility of the BIM coordinator. Run the kickoff meeting, and you already do a great collaborative job. Define expectations and all project goals. Also, don't forget about the main project timeline and schedule. And also, press the like button below and subscribe to our channel so you definitely won't forget about those rules. The next thing is problem solving, addressing technical issues and challenges related to BIM implementation and coordination. Number 8 is documentation. Maintaining comprehensive documentation of BIM processes, models, and coordination efforts. Documentation also includes filling out project log documents or sharing the main information by email, which includes each project change. The next thing is project coordination. Working closely with project managers to ensure BIM goals align with overall project objectives and timelines. Continuous improvement. Identifying opportunities for process improvement and optimization within BIM workflows and coordination practices. Let me know in the comments what is the main difference between clash detection and BIM coordination for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.